I am Dr. Sarita Elavar. I'm one of the co-founders of BotLab Dynamics. We are a startup from IIT Delhi. So BotLab is based out of two offices. One is in IIT Delhi, one is in Okhla. At IIT Delhi, we do a lot of our testing, and in the Okhla office, we do a lot of our design and PCB design, and in fact, the show design happens in the Okhla office. We are known for our work in drone swarm technology. We started with defense, but then a little bit later, we gained an expertise in flying multiple drones for drone light shows, and that gained us lot of popularity. Unfortunately, last year we made a world record with the 5500 drones in Vijayawada that we did for Airport Authority of India. So that is continuing, and we are hoping to make this swarm larger and larger. So currently we are very excited to be working on our Nano drone. So this is our smallest drone that we have built for a defense application. It is foldable, it fits into a tube like that. It has a day and a night vision, and we're praying to God that it gets into defense very soon. We are planning to miniaturize drones even smaller and have them fly in large numbers for both defense and commercial applications.
Oh, I am Anuj. I am one of the co-founder of BotLab Dynamics. In 2016, BotLab was started with the goal of building hardware as a company in India. We started focusing on flight controller first, then GPS, and then motor controller. And we were able to successfully build these three components within 2 years, so that we can fly multiple drones together, completely built in-house. We assembled 50 systems and we flew them together in formation. And we flew for the first time in June 2021. And that time, Ministry of Defense and Defense Secretary said if we could perform the same thing, but not with 50 drones, with 1000 drones, which is almost 20-fold what we already achieved. Since we were building our own hardware, we were able to change the sensor quite fast. So we changed few sensors, we changed few controllers, and made it compatible with our hardware and software stack, and we could build 1000 drones within say 6 months. When we were flying 50 drones, it was quite easy to plan trajectories, to make formations while you ensuring there is no collisions. But when you are flying 1000 drones in a very small volume, it becomes very important that you make sure no drones collide with each other. So for that reason, we developed our own software. So I'm leading software team as of now, and we build algorithms, we rewrite codes to ensure only one thing, and that was transitioning in very short span of time. Let's say you have 10 formations in a storyboard and you need to go one by one. So you need to make sure while they are transitioning from one to other formation, they take as less space as possible and ensuring there is no collision. We worked on that for 4-5 months, and we were able to build that software by the end of 2022, January first week. And we planned trajectory, we create animation. For that, we have a separate team for creating animations. And we did our first show on 29th of January 2022, which was India's largest drone light show and also was 4th largest in the world.
Hi, I'm Tamne Bunker. I'm the founder of BotLab. We have 4 departments here: the animation, PCB design, mechanical design, and the simulation. We have a team of around 150 plus individuals. Crux of the technology is that we make everything in-house. We make the flight controller, motor controllers, GPS modules, all the wireless communication modules in-house. And that enables us to now venture into other applications. One being the indoor drones, because we've realized that there are certain times in the year where it is difficult to fly drones outside just because of the weather. And indoor drones also lets us address a market where you have small number of drones flying inside a large enclosed volume. It will now open up other applications they can be used for. Inventory management, they can be used for basically response to an emerging situation. I think when we started, we had only 50 drones. When we were given the opportunity to fly at Rashtrapati Bhavan, the day we delivered the show, it took us around 25 months to do the largest show in the world. And that is what we want to do. We want to keep India in the #1 spot for the foreseeable future. That's our mission.